Hello everyone, I am so blessed to have you here with me today. You have reached the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. This is going to be your heart chakra reading. I do a different reading or a different chakra for each day of the week. And I start with the root on Monday and finish with the crown on Sunday and then cycle through yet again. These readings are really to help us focus on each chakra, give it some time to really think about how it's functioning, if it's working at the best that it can, and to help it evolve and function in the best way possible. We bring in a card from the Earth chakra or the higher realms chakra, sometimes both, and in this reading we are going to have one from both. So to start off, let's talk about our question here, which is going to be, how can I cultivate joy, gratitude, love, and compassion for others so that I am cosmic love? And to begin to ruminate about this question, we will take our first card from the Rumi Oracle, which is, I surge on the uprising wave of love. Greater forces of planetary movements affect us all. We experience day and night through the interplay of the earth, sun, and moon. This is a profound and obvious effect. The movements of the cosmos affect us deeply, body and soul. Some movements are perhaps less obvious in form, but are just as great, if not more so, in effect upon our spiritual growth and life experiences. You are going through a cycle, or very soon will be, by which you will be moved by forces greater than your own personal will. This is a karmic period of time during which the movements of greater planetary bodies will have an impact upon the earth and humanity. This is the way of things, greater cycles affecting smaller ones. The smaller ones are not less important, but they do have to bow to the power of the great, in oneness with the magnificent unfolding divinity that is life itself. This oracle comes with a message for you. There are changes happening, and they will be out of your control. This is because you are ready for an accelerated life change. Rather than paddling, you will be caught up in a wave and moved farther, faster. Let yourself surge on with the energy of what is happening, leading your heart and just going with whatever unfolds. This will bring you to the best fortune and open you up to the divine destiny that is your birthright in this lifetime. I'm sure we are all feeling the message from that card and have been feeling it from some time. So to join this last message, we have from the Kuan Yin Oracle, which is going to be speaking on behalf of the Dolphin Matrix Chakra. We have the card Call of the Dancing Crane. I tell you, all of these cards in this series, this little series here, are echoing visually, which I think is very profound. So let's see, our message here is have you ever felt like you were a different person on holidays or when you were traveling? This is because you were free of the astral gravity that you usually live within on a day-to-day basis. This astral plane is like glue. when we put enough energy of habit into thoughts, emotions, beliefs, and stories from our past that condition how we interpret current life experiences, we can get stuck in astral gravity, unable to let go of ways of thinking and reacting, even if we really wish to do so. We can create sticky astral thoughts and beliefs that attach to houses, places, and people. When we are in a different environment, we have a chance to create fresh habits and beliefs, which is why a holiday or travel can be so refreshing and inspiring. Sometimes, however, this is not practical, and we need healing to break through the muddy stagnation of old thoughts and beliefs right now. You are being asked to allow this goddess to assist you. She might come to you in a meditation through a healing session or in a dream. You may see her as a crane goddess or hear music and sound that uplifts you into a new vibration. You may feel her guidance in the urge to create a vision board, to say affirmations or mantras, in a desire to dance or do yoga. Allow her to guide you to the perfect way for you to receive her divine blessing and help so that your affirmations, your vision board, made of inspiring images that you love, and your choices to interpret incoming data as evidence that the universe loves and helps you become more powerful than the pull of your past. And from our spirit chakra, we are going to have the message of synchronicity. Are you noticing the signs of synchronicity that the spirit world has been sending to you at this time? People and situations in your life are not just appearing by coincidence in reality. They are being guided to you from the spirit world to help you for a specific reason. Synchronicities are far more than just coincidences. You received this card as confirmation that you've been experiencing some fascinating and distinctive synchronicities. And what's more, you may be getting even more of them. These blessings and signs of grace are not just mere coincidences. They are evidence that you are always connected to spirit. When synchronicity appears in your life, it usually is a sign that you should look beyond the normal limitations of the physical and consider the spiritual meaning of what is or what's about to happen in your life. It often puts certain people in your path or gives you a particular book. Equally, the same name may be repeated multiple times a day, or a certain workshop or course keeps popping up. The more you notice and pay attention to these meaningful signs of grace, the easier it is for them to multiply and give you spiritual guidance. Synchronicity just doesn't happen. It is a sign for you to stop and take a deep look at the direction you're taking and the spiritual shift you're making or are about to make. Welcome them and act accordingly. for Spirit is trying to guide and help you. Thank you so much. Those were beautiful messages. Please join me again. I will be delivering the throat chakra reading tomorrow. I'm so blessed to have you with me today, and I send you so much love. Take care.